The newly released teaser video for the revived Ford Bronco reveals that the SUV arrives in spring of 2020 and shows off its emblem. The rest of the clip highlights images of older Broncos and shows the evolution of the badge over the decades. Ford isn't yet releasing many official details about the new Bronco, but leaked info shines some light on what to expect. The SUV shares its frame with the Ranger pickup and would be available in 2 or 4-door bodies, although perhaps not at launch. A so-called air roof would allow for open-top driving, and patents suggest the doors might be removable also. We expect at launch the vehicle will have a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 270 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque, just like the Ford Ranger. A 7-speed manual gearbox might be on the option list. Ford CEO Jim Hackett also suggests a hybrid variant being available at some point. The Bronco will reportedly give Ford a hardcore off-roader to challenge the Jeep Wrangler by giving it rugged features like a slide front and rear axle. The aftermarket utility experts are gearing up to have lots of accessories ready for the model's launch in spring.
So I've had 3 questions from the audience about the Bronco.
Okay. I can't give the date. I'm sorry.
Come on. All right. So we had Mr. Everhart Monday night, and he was talking about the new Land Rover Defender, and he's under a ton of pressure right now because there's these are passion products, right?
Absolutely.
And the new Defender, what's been leaked, does not look anything like the old Defender.
Right.
It's soft. It's you can't do the flat front because of aerodynamics and pedestrian control. Sure. How are you guys protecting the legacy of the Bronco?
That's a really important question. We started out with Lincoln and be clear on who you are.
Right.
Right. These passion products.
Because if this Bronco comes out wimpy, you're in.
That is something I can promise. It will not come out wimpy. Okay, that word will never be used. But you need to be clear on what that is. Again, that sentiment, that emotion, that passion for that nameplate doesn't really sit with us. It sits in the public psyche, and we have to know what that is. Yeah. We know our history. We know what that is. We are very clear on what the expectation is. And then it can't just be soft words, right? Now we step back, and then you look at it from a design aesthetic perspective. Which are the key elements that make the Bronco the Bronco? And we're very clear on those. So we're going to stay true to those. Then there's a capability part. What kind of capability makes a Bronco a Bronco? We're very true to that part. What kind of flexibility? What kind of emotion does it bring in? So a lot of work going in there, and I promise it is going to be true to its roots, and it's going to be a really exciting product.
Some sort of timing.
I can't go into time.
This year?
No, not this year.
Not this year.
Not this year.
Okay.